Claudia from Spring Branch has a question about cultured marble.
Yeah, hers is leaking.
Okay.
Claudia writes, it started after I had a new faucet installed in my bathroom sink here. Take a look at this. This is
it's cultured marble.
You've seen one, you've seen them all.
Yep.
That was like a cultured marble sink. I've got them in my bathroom. The plumber said it has 2 small cracks in the bottom, and the company that made it is no longer making cultured marble. And the shower, she says, is also cultured marble, so I want to kind of stay with that. Do you have any idea where she can get cultured marble?
I haven't. No, I don't know where you can get cultured marble. Can you get it? I'm sure somebody out there, if you just Google and push, maybe. The other thing is to match it is really tough because it's just like tile. How are they going to match the exact color? They yellow over time. They don't stay true in their color. So I don't think you're going to be successful. So what my advice would be is to just go totally opposite something that would blend. You could do like a solid color corian.
Yeah.
You could do a little silestone that would be, blending together.
Accent the shower system.
Exactly.
Right.
And then eventually the shower
get all decoraty.
Well, we just had furniture delivered from Elizabeth Cole.
Our fung is definitely full of shui here today.
But that's what I would do. I would try to do something so different that blends that you'll get away with the look without having to replace the shower at this time.
Here's another idea. What if you got one of those resurfacing companies to come in and refinish the sink? Do you think that would stop the leak?
I would not do that because what happens is the culture marble gets thermal cracks.
Okay.
And when they crack, it'll continue to crack. It's like a windshield on your car.
Yeah.
You know how it'll slowly grow and you don't know, and then one day you go, oh my gosh, it got bigger.
Right.
So or it's like concrete where you have cracks and you put a coating on top, but then it keeps moving and the cracks come through the coating. So I don't want you to do that.
All right. But what we do want you to do is send us more questions, and good luck with the sink, by the way. Go and visit HomeShowRadio.com. There's a form right there on the homepage. It says Ask Tom. Click on it. Send us the question. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.